Now, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the cursor size on your Mac computer. So we're going to open up the system settings as usual if we want to make any changes. And to change the size and the way that the pointer or cursor looks, we need to click on accessibility, and within accessibility, proceed to display. So click on a display right there and just scroll down a little bit below and you're going to see the pointer. So we can most definitely change the pointer size. For me, it is almost set to the smallest level, which is fine for normal using, but you can definitely bump up the size. You can even make it really large. I don't know, like 4 times the original size, and now it's really huge if you ask me, but that's kind of how you can have it, and you can decide whichever setting you want to go with. So you also have the outline color as well as fill color of the pointer, so you can also change the way that it looks. I guess giving it a nice outline might make things a little bit more interesting, especially if it's something like this bright color, but you can always reset it back to the original whenever you want it. Outside of that, you can also go to the mouse section within the settings and change the way it functions, but not really the way that it looks. For changing the looks of the cursor, that section before was the one that you have to go to make the changes. But well, that's going to be about it for me. I don't want to make this video any longer than it needs to be. So if you like this approach, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.